Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Honbike Uni4, an electric bike that stands out with its unique design and innovative features. If you're in the market for your first e-bike, this one could be a great option. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. The Honbike Uni4 is a fun and funky electric bike that brings a fresh vibe to the market. Its distinctive tubular frame design, cool 6-spoke wheels, and belt drive set it apart from the crowd. But how does it perform? Well, I've been testing it out, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. The Uni4's design is eye-catching, featuring an aluminum frame with unique angles that give it a distinct appearance. While it may seem unbalanced at first, it adds to the bike's character. The built-in 432 Wh lithium-ion battery is located within the frame, providing up to an impressive 53 miles of range. The Uni4 comes in black or white, and the fit and finish of the parts are of good quality. Setting up the Honbike Uni4 is straightforward, and the package includes everything you need. The bike weighs around 20.2 kilograms, so getting it out of the box might require some effort. Once assembled, you'll notice the standout feature: the 6-spoke, die-cast magnesium wheels fitted with thick 27.5 by 2-inch tires. These tires make the bike suitable for various terrains, which is particularly useful for riders in the UK with its rough roads. The Gates carbon belt drive ensures a smooth and low-maintenance power delivery, while the 36 volts, 250 W hub motor provides electric assistance with 3 modes: Eco, City, and Sport. The Honbike Uni4 is a single-speed electrically assisted bike, which means no gears to worry about. This simplicity makes it easy to get on and go. The handlebar-mounted computer allows you to select different power settings, indicated by color-coded arrows on the display. The belt drive ensures a smooth and quiet ride, and the comfortable saddle and handlebars make long rides enjoyable. What sets the Honbike Uni4 apart is its ride quality. The wider tires absorb bumps in the road effectively, providing a comfortable experience even without suspension. The bike handles grass, mud, and gravel with ease, making it versatile for various riding conditions. The Uni4 offers a great balance of comfort and power, allowing you to ride for hours without any discomfort. Overall, I'm impressed with the Honbike Uni4. It's a fantastic daily rider with a comfortable design and ample power. The build quality is excellent, especially considering its competitive price. While the unique frame design may not appeal to everyone, you'll quickly get used to it. The smooth belt drive adds to the bike's appeal. The Honbike Uni4 may not match the official range figures, but with a relaxed riding style, you can achieve a respectable range. Its wider tires make it a versatile e-bike for any terrain. Plus, it comes with full mudguards, lights, and a kickstand. Everything you need right out of the box. The Honbike Uni4 is undoubtedly a resounding success. That wraps up our review of the Honbike Uni4. If you're looking for an electric bike with character, great design, and a competitive price, this could be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. See you next time.